How to take care of plants at home. Taking care of plants at home is not difficult if you understand their basic needs. With the right care, indoor plants can grow healthy, fresh, and beautiful. First, choose the right plant for your home. Some plants need bright sunlight, while others grow well in low light. Before bringing a plant home, always check how much light it needs. Second, water your plants correctly. Overwatering is one of the biggest reasons plants die. Always check the soil before watering. If the topsoil feels dry, then water the plant. Make sure the pot has drainage holes so extra water can flow out easily. Third, use good quality soil. Healthy soil helps roots grow strong. The soil should be loose and well draining so air and water can reach the roots properly. Fourth, give plants enough sunlight. Place your plants near a window where they can get indirect sunlight. Avoid strong direct sun for indoor plants unless the plant needs it. Fifth, clean the leaves regularly. Dust on leaves blocks sunlight and slows growth. Gently wipe the leaves with a soft, damp cloth once a week. Sixth, feed your plants. Use organic compost or a mild fertilizer once or twice a month during the growing season. Do not over-fertilize as it can damage the roots. Seventh, watch for pests and diseases. If you see yellow leaves, spots or insects, take action quickly. Natural remedies like neem oil can help protect plants safely. Finally, give your plants love and time. Plants grow slowly, so be patient. Regular care and observation will keep your home plants fresh and healthy. Conclusion: by giving proper light, water, soil, and care, anyone can successfully grow plants at home. Healthy plants not only beautify your home, but also improve air quality and bring peace to your life.